Capture the world from your dog's point of view with Fetch, the first GoPro mount made just for dogs. With camera mounts on the back and chest, you can capture fun footage of Fido from 2 unique perspectives. The chest mount delivers immersive shots from your dog's POV. The back mount lets you capture over-the-head shots of running, jumping, Fetch, and more. Or mount cameras in both locations to capture both perspectives. The harness fits small, medium, and large dogs from 15 to 120 pounds. Since the straps are fully adjustable, you can customize the size of the harness to fit your dog perfectly. For smaller breeds, simply remove the chest mount. Made of a soft material and padded at all adjustment points, Fetch was specifically designed to keep your pet comfy, no matter what activity he's doing. With durable, water-friendly construction, you can take Fetch swimming, dog park hopping, frisbee throwing, and more without a worry. If the harness gets dirty, simply rinse it off, or toss it in your washer to keep it clean. Fetch includes a camera tether to provide an extra layer of security for when your dog gets rowdy. In case the camera gets knocked off or comes loose, the tether helps prevent you from losing it. Compatible with all GoPro cameras, Fetch is a fun way to capture the world from your dog's point of view and join the adventure with your favorite furry friend.